Hello everyone, a very warm welcome. Today in chapter 7, the climate of our country, we will study about the major seasons of India and how season affects our life. You might be familiar with the terms weather and climate. First we will study about weather. It shows the condition of atmosphere over a short period of time. For example, when we say that it is cold and foggy today, we refer to the weather of that particular day. Climate. The climate of a place refers to the weather condition of a place over a long period of time, for about 30 to 35 years. For example, Delhi has an extreme climate. It means that Delhi has very hot summers and very cold winters. Due to factors like variation in temperature, rainfall and winds, India experiences three main seasons. There are three main seasons, that are summer season, rainy season and winter season. First we will study about the summer season. The summer season begins from the middle of March and continues till the end of June. June is the hottest month. Hot and dry winds called Loo blow over many parts of North India. The days are longer than nights and dust storms are very common during this season. The southern part of India, which is surrounded by sea on three sides, is less hot and more humid. The cool breeze from the sea keeps the coastal area cool. Now next season is rainy season. It starts in June and in some parts of India it begins in July. The season continues till the end of October. Winds blow from the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal towards the land. They are called monsoon winds as they cause rainfall. Mauziram in Meghalaya gets the heaviest rainfall in India. The desert area of Rajasthan and the Kutch in Gujarat receive very little rainfall. The average annual rainfall in our country is 120 centimeters. The coast of Tamil Nadu or the Coromandel coast receive rainfall between November and January. Rainy season is very important for Indian agriculture. Now next season is winter season. The winter season begins in the middle of November and goes on till February. December and January are very cold months. The nights are longer than the days. Strong winds from the west called western disturbance cause rainfall in the plains and snowfall in the mountains. This is the time when the weather becomes extremely cold and foggy. Tamil Nadu gets heavy rainfall during this time. In India, we also experience two other seasons, that is spring and autumn. Spring seasons comes just after the winter season and autumn seasons comes just after the rainy season. I hope you all have understood this chapter. Thank you.